What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to another episode of E-Rebuilds. In today's video, guys, I'm actually taking the 370 build over to Z1 Motorsports so we can have the infamous Mr. John go ahead and throw a tune on this bad boy for us. So stay locked in with me. Make sure you don't move. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe, guys, if you haven't already. This 370Z build has been coming together amazingly. Make sure you go back and check out the before so you can see where we are now. Guys, make sure you stay locked in with me. You don't want to miss it. We're heading over to Z1. Let's go.
What's up, man? All right, so we're going to flash your car with Ecutech.
Okay.
By the way, you're at Z1 Motorsports, our nice facility here. It's kind of dirty. You can check it out real quick. All right. So we're going to flash this car with our level 1 tuning package, and you'll have 4 maps. So the first map will be 93 octane. You'll have 91, 87 eco, and map 4 will be, I'm not going to tell you because that basically tells you everything. But you also have the burble feature on here, and you should be able to do a burnout, and the car won't do a burnout now, so we'll show that later on in the video. So we'll go ahead and get to flashing this car. So we got the power on right now, and we'll get it connected. Turn the you got gap button on, and when my mouse wants to work right, there we go. And this process should take like up to 5 minutes or so. So what y'all think this car is gonna, like, what's your future plans for it?
Supercharger. You just inspired me when you said 7.
Well, that one's at 640. Hey Doug, can you come over here for a second? Do you have to test drive that in a minute? In the parking lot? Yeah. You mind taking him on the ride with you? Oh my God.
I ain't scared now.
I can't fulfill the experience.
So
I thought you said it was going to be too much of an experience.
I won't be able to feel it.
we've got to test this red car out for takeoff. So I'll take you in the parking lot in that one.
Okay, I appreciate that.
Oh, that white one's getting supercharged right now too.
You're inspiring me, man.
That's horrible. I don't get it. So that truck's having to get a motor put in it. Yeah, but they mopped the floor like, what is it, 10 times?
Were they mudding with it?
All the time.
I think I'm still in love with the G35 body, man.
It's nice. That one's supercharged.
Really?
Yeah. And the gray one over there is supercharged, the 370.
Yeah, that one looks good. I really like that one. That one looks really nice. I like the paint, the color on it. I like
I'm at 78%.
Okay, I like that spoiler too.
Yeah, it slows it down a lot.
Really?
Yeah.
Too heavy.
Yeah.
Gotcha.
Well, no, so the downforce just pushes it down. So more downforce you get, the slower you're topping in.
That 350 that's not.
He asked if the drift car was girl's car.
It's literally the same exact color. Hold on. I'm sorry, man.
Oh, we're gonna give him hell for
I didn't start it, man.
What island is your dad from?
Barbados.
Oh, he's from Virgin Islands.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Okay.
All right, I got it flashed.
Flashed already?
Yeah. All right, so the flash is up.
Yeah, I'm gonna edit all of that.
We'll go ahead and start it up, and if you want to get in the passenger seat, we'll go ahead and take it outside.
All right, let's go for a test drive.
Like I said, you've got the burble on it. So to use your burble, you just click this up 3 times, and it jumps up to 180.
Okay.
Man, I don't see how you drove this thing up here with that windshield like that.
I thought the same thing when I got in.
Jesus.
I was like, man, I didn't know it was this bad. And I didn't know what time he told you, so I was like,
He didn't. It didn't matter.
So I'm just gonna get it up there. But yeah, I'm gonna go home and
Earl will just be popping up, man. He don't care. All right, so your burble, even in with automatic. So if you want to if you're sitting in a parking lot or something, and you just want to rev it, you can. Once you rev it, you have to hit the throttle like 3%, right? So I lied. Yours is not working. 1, 2, 3. So now you have burble. And we'll see if it'll do a burnout real quick. After you get on it, you can, and this is how you burp work, and then I'll show you how to map switch real quick.
He shouldn't have got that.
He's gonna be out there wild.
He's gonna be out there wild. Oh man, that was nice.
Earl's gonna be that onk out there.
Yeah, for sure.
Alright, so if he wants to go over to like map 2, if he gets like bad fuel or something, he can hold down the cancel button. It'll jump up to 1,000 RPM and you just flip it up. So that's how you map switch.
Okay.
Now if I go to that last map,
Everything is
yeah.
okay, gotcha.
So
Okay.
and it stays on map 1.
So hit here,
Mm-hmm.
and then you can just switch
Yeah.
it up. Okay.
So for him to turn his burbles off, all he has to do is hit the set button up 3 times. So it'll go 1, 2, 3, jumps up to 180, and it'll be off.
Okay.
So his burbles are always on right now.
And then
Yeah, and it'll go straight back.
nice. This is how my windshield is supposed to look.
Yeah.
And this one's supercharged?
Yeah.
supercharger. Oh man, I gotta get this supercharger. Woo!
Yeah.
Man, that's different. Now that's different. That supercharger, some serious.
So this one had a little problem with it taking off. So we had to rectify that today. So that's.
Alrighty guys, so there you have it. We have the newly tuned 370Z back in the building. Once again, big shout out to Mr. John over at Z1 Motorsports. We had an awesome experience today, guys. It was absolutely amazing. We got a chance to get some shots in the parking lot. Even though my camera angles weren't the best because I didn't expect the car to launch the way it did. But nonetheless, we definitely got some good footage for you guys. If you like this video, make sure to leave a thumbs up, comment, share, and don't forget to subscribe. This is E Rebuilds. We're out.